In this video, you will discover 5 straightforward steps to create holiday emails that resonate with your audience and drive sales. Let's unlock the secret together. First up, define your goals. Do you want to boost sales, build brand awareness, or drive website traffic? Clear goals help you tailor your emails effectively. Next, segment your audience. Different groups have different needs. Past purchases, location, and interests can guide you. Remember, segmented campaigns can increase revenue by 760%. Step 3. Craft an engaging subject line. Use action words, create urgency, and add festive emojis. A catchy subject line makes your email irresistible. Fourth, design your email with care. Bright colors, festive images, and easy-to-read fonts are your friends. And don't forget, over 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices. Finally, include clear calls to action. Guide your readers with easy-to-spot, compelling CTAs. Urgency phrases like limited time offer can boost click-through rates by 50%. Follow these 5 steps to create a holiday email campaign that dazzles and delivers results. Need help? Reach out to the Social Glue for expert guidance. Happy holiday emailing, everyone!
Don't miss the next video from the Social Glue. Smash that like button, subscribe, and join our community. Got questions? Call 678-358-3680 or visit thesocialglue.com. Don't miss out, be part of the buzz.